Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Understand what AVX is and why you need it. AVX stands for Advanced Vector Extensions, and it's a processor instruction set that speeds up certain applications, especially for gaming and heavy computational tasks. Your CPU might support it, but Windows might not have it enabled by default. Step 2. Check if your processor supports AVX by using CPU-Z or a similar identification tool. Download the software, run it, and look for AVX in the instructions section. If your processor shows AVX or AVX2, you're good to move forward. If it doesn't show up, your hardware doesn't support it, and you'll need to upgrade. Step 3. Access your BIOS or UEFI settings by restarting your computer and pressing Delete, F2, or F12 during startup, depending on your motherboard manufacturer. Step 4. Navigate to the CPU or processor settings within your BIOS menu. Look for any virtualization or AVX-related options and enable them if they're currently disabled. Step 5. Save your changes and exit BIOS, allowing Windows to boot normally. After restarting, verify that AVX is now active by checking your system settings or using diagnostic software again.